like to amaze your friends? Watch how you can transform usual things and accessories into something else. Miss Smith gives a very interesting lecture, and we take notes energetically. A kettle instruction would seem to be an exciting thriller in comparison to these notes. Let's make the class funnier. I take a phone and start talking. Take a notebook with a hard cover and cut out a piece that is of the same size as your phone. Make the edges round. Mix silver and black acrylic paint. And paint the cover and sides of the notebook. Print a phone screen on self-adhesive paper and attach it to the notebook. Paint a round button on the bottom. Paint voice buttons at the side. The teacher sees that I talk on my phone. This is awful! But I hurry to calm Miss Smith down. It's just a notebook. I take my notes in it. Miss Smith calms down at once. Taking notes in the class is the right choice. A musical break in a class. I take out a loudspeaker, but Miss Smith has other plans. She has prepared a musical case. We will need felt, tulle, and a foam rubber sheet. Draw a geometric pattern with cells like the one a loudspeaker has on a foam rubber sheet. Cut the cells out and put it onto tulle. Take 2 pieces of felt and cut out 2 ovals with allowances for bending. Attach the foam rubber sheet buttons to it. Make signs with a pen. Score the lines of the buttons using a knife. Make cuts along the bending line. Attach the foam rubber sheet to tulle and felt with double-sided tape. Hot glue oval details to the inside borders. Fold it and hot glue the case. Hot glue a zipper to the top. The teacher changes the loudspeaker for a regular pencil case with a slight dance move. Who is she trying to deceive? There is no music inside this loudspeaker. There are only pens and pencils. On the other hand, it hits the spot. Miss Smith's private dance party is canceled. Let's see what Miss Smith will say if I take out a joystick, right in class. Take a broken joystick apart. Take the electronic device and a processor out. Make a hole in the plastic cover. Attach plastic buttons with hot glue. Close the cap and attach an aerial wire. Fill the joystick with paper clips and cover it with the second half. I pretend that I am deep into my game on my phone. My fingers just cling into the joystick. At last, Miss Smith figures out that I've got a joystick in the class. She threatens to kick me out of the classroom. What did I do, Miss Smith? My joystick is just a paperclip container. It is handy for studying. The teacher is amazed when she sees this unusual way of storing school supplies. School policy doesn't forbid us from bringing paperclips to school. Art class! We take paints out. And what does my friend have? A tablet? Excellent! I just wanted to surf Instagram and use all the artistic filters. But the tablet is broken. The sensor doesn't work. Sure! Because this tablet is made out of a sketch pad. Cover a sketch pad with black matte paint. Do not forget about the sides. Print a screenshot of a tablet on self-adhesive paper of an appropriate size. Attach it to the sketch pad. Draw a camera and a microphone with a silver pen. You can use any paint you want in this tablet, and it doesn't need to be charged. I need to highlight a phrase in my notebook. Does my friend have a marker? But she has something better. It's glossy nail polish. I mean, glitter glue. It can help me add some shine to my notes. Mix glitter of different sizes, colors, and shapes with clear glue. Pour it in an empty nail polish bottle. Miss Smith notices makeup on the desk. I've caught you! She takes the glue away, being totally sure that it is a glossy nail polish. The teacher wants to make her bright manicure much brighter. Miss Smith covers her nails with a glittery layer and waits for it to get dry. Poor teacher! She doesn't even suspect that this nail polish will take too much time to get dry. There you go! She's glued 2 of her fingers. Be careful not to attach to anything else. Do you need a ruler? Here you are. Take my comb. Does it make sense? It does, since it's not just a comb, but a measuring tool, a comb ruler. Make hatch marks on a comb of a light color using a pencil and a ruler. Define the hatch marks with acrylic paint. Use a thin brush. Add a decoration on the handle. You can make a straight line as well as straighten your hair with this comb. It is so handy. At the same time, you can measure how much your hair has grown. It's a pity that we can't go to a hair salon for a blowout instead of the class, but you can still have a stylish hairdo if your friend is nearby. Let's braid it. We will need some hairspray, but it is nowhere to be found. The help comes from an unexpected source. Miss Smith brings us hairspray. Let's try it out. It turns out that it is not the hairspray at all. It is a pencil case. Paint a tube-shaped color pencil container blue. Print out hairspray labels and attach them once the paint is dry. We've got a cardboard box so we can use white glue. Make a black dot on the top to make it look like a spray hole. Miss Smith is happy. She thinks that she put an end to our hair salon. No way! We will use what we have. We will curl hair using pencils like hair rollers. In case you need a green color, just take it out of your hair and draw. I take out a big set of makeup. There is eyeshadow, blush, and face powder. I put the makeup where everyone can see it and wait for my favorite teacher to react. Print out a picture of a makeup palette and attach it to a notebook folder. Use wide double-sided tape. Attach a makeup brand logo to the bottom of the folder. The bright folder on my desk will definitely attract Miss Smith's attention. The teacher has come up already. She takes away my palette, hoping to fix up her makeup. Oops! Miss Smith finds my notebooks instead of blush and face powder. It is a studying set, not a makeup one. Have you made a mistake? No problem. We'll correct it with eyeliner immediately. What? We need an empty eyeliner bottle. Pour in correction fluid. White eyeliner? Is it a new brand? No, it's my correction fluid. Quite practical, I should say. Correct your mistake in style with a thin eyeliner brush. Are you going to apply tint on your lips or draw with a pencil? Take an empty tint tube. Remove the dispenser. Snip off the top. Set it back. Cut a pencil of the fitting size. Put it in the tube. Is it a pencil or tint? Let's see my friend's reaction. She doesn't look bewildered. It seems my pranks have made her insensitive to weird things. She doesn't react as vigorously as she used to. Isn't there tint inside? Okay, let it be a pencil. I can draw instead of doing my makeup. What should you use to erase a pencil? Use eyeshadow. Take a bright square eraser. Mark its size on black cardboard. Cut out a strip. Wrap it around the eraser. Snip off the excess. Cut out a little window. Put on the black wrapping and hot glue the edges. Write a makeup brand logo in the window. My friend is astonished to see me erasing a pencil with the eyeshadow. Give your thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the Troom Troom channel. Click the bell and amaze your friends with weird ideas.